Good morning, it's Margaret from Living Organized. I'm just about to go and do a dump run. As you can see in the back here, I've got some lumber. And actually this is from our house because we just did a fence repair. And the thing is that what we couldn't reuse for fence boards, we're now recycling, and we've replaced them with new, but we will take them to the landfill where they will be recycled. There's some garbage back there and some things that came from a few other clients' places. Not a lot of stuff, but as of recent that I went into my one condo with my senior who's 83 years old. She moved there now almost 10 years ago, and you know, she's consistently downsized. She's 83 years old now, and you know, she did a huge, massive downsize and sold things off when she left her home. But now she's in a one-bedroom rented condo, and she has a small storage locker downstairs. And you know, so we got rid of a few things. We found a home for a very large armoire that she gave to someone in her building. She put a post up inside the building, and someone came and took that away. Your other option is that if you want to give it away or sell it, that you can put it onto Facebook Marketplace as one of the places that seems to sell well and isn't so congested. So there's a solution there. But here's my point today. I'm clearing out some stuff from my house and from a few other places where there wasn't a whole lot, so I didn't need to do a dump run for each and every one of those things, or say to a client, oh, I can't take it because you've only got, you know, a few little things. If you've only got a few small things, connect with a neighbor so that, you know, you can share on that minimum, or you can fill up the truck. Or even if you've got a dumpster in the driveway that you know that you could share with one or two other people on the cost, you know, instead of paying $300 or $400, if you could get that down, you know, to $100 or $200 each, depending on the number of people, that really helps. You can also call local companies. There are places that will come for reasonable prices. I have a few guys on my list. If you'd like to, you know, be in touch with me, I can pass you along those names. They take those things away for a real affordable cost, so you don't have to sit there with the clutter just piling up and piling up, because it's amazing, even when you move out the few little things, how much space is still left. The other day when we finished clearing out the locker, I was able to sit down with my client and find a few things on Amazon that she needed, but one of them was a small rack to store, you know, pantry-like items that she can go down there and keep her paper towels and household cleaners and such that she buys, that they're not taking up space in her small one-bedroom condo. You know, so we made room, and it was amazing. She was like, oh my God, look at how much space I have. And we didn't clear out all that much stuff. It was just that it was things that didn't serve her. It wasn't functioning in there. So we made it functional, and today I'm taking it all away to the landfill. So along with a few of my own things. So anyways, have a wonderful day. Please leave me a few comments on how you've recycled or reused things, or if there are videos or topics that you would like me to talk about or post on. I'd love to hear from you. Have a great day and enjoy this wonderful long weekend coming up.